this point, I'm pretty much sure a lot of people watching this right now would like to know experience. What are the various ways that an individual can make money out of graphic designing? And from your experience, how have you been able to do it, and skill are you able to do it? Can you throw more light onto it that others can also start maybe developing themselves to do is the way you did it?
Okay. All right. So you can actually learn or get more than that. Now, this is it. Now, number one, you need to learn how to price. Understand that graphic design is not your side hustle. Graphic design is a business. That's why there's a part of graphic design that I teach that's called the business of graphic design. The skill is different from the business. Some people know the skill of graphic design. They are skillful graphic designers, but they don't know the business of graphic design. It is not the skill of graphic design that gives you money. It is the business of graphic design that puts money in your account. So having the skill is not enough. Knowing how to sell the skill, that's the business part of it. So if you want to make money for graphic design, number one, you need to sell your service. Render your skill as a service. Number one, render your skill as a service. That is to say, reach out to people who would need your service. Let's say you are a logo designer. Reach out to people that own business and propose to them that you're going to be creating a logo for their business for this amount of money. Reach out to people who are into social media and then tell them you want to be creating your social media designs for a particular package. Tell them and give them your samples, and that is that. So you can offer your service and you get money for it. That's number one. Number two, you can actually teach graphic design and make money from it. You can teach graphic design and make money from it. And when I say teach, I'm not saying that anybody can just become a teacher. There are a lot of persons who teach graphic design that don't understand graphic design. So you need to learn and understand graphic design before you can pass the knowledge to other people. Someone said that you cannot teach what you don't know. So before you teach graphic design, you need to be able to understand it. So when you teach it, you now collect money for some person. Okay, I can teach you, I can help you to become a better graphic designer. I can help you to understand the principles, the element, the hierarchy, the contrast, the repetition, and all these things. I can help you to understand it very well in a practical sense, and you give me your money for that. So you can do that to make money. That's number two. Number three, you can actually also affiliate for other graphic design products. So you could have graphic designers that are doing things. Let's say graphic designers that sell courses. If you want to make money from their courses and you have people you can sell the course to, you can tell them, I can bring people to pay for your course so that you teach them, and then you pay me a commission. You can make money like that as a graphic designer. Not just that, one of the ways you can make money as a graphic designer is very easy now. Is print on demand shirt. Right? Look at my t-shirt. Now this is my t-shirt. There's no much stuff here, but this is just a logo. I wish I can get a t-shirt that has. A logo, and I will show you what I mean by what I'm trying to say. Let me just try and get this.
Okay. Wow, guys, a lot is going on right here. You guys.
All right, so this is one of my t-shirts. I want to show you that you can be printing something like this and be making so much money from it. All right, this is my t-shirt on God.
Okay.
Right, it's popular.
Okay.
You can check my YouTube channel. You will see I put it as a product.
Yeah.
Now that is even a simple product that I can just design with my smartphone or with my PC. I can just design it, just text, and then I can print it. I will buy the shirt and I'll print it. I can gain profit of 400 naira or even more from this printing. That's the fundamental. So 4,000 naira or even more from this printing. Now, imagine if you have a contract to print t-shirts for a school or a church program. Very, very simple. Just put the logo there, their church logo, and then sometimes not you that is doing it. You're only just to carry it, go and buy the shirt, good quality shirt, get your profit from it, go to the printer that's going to do the e-transfer, tell them, do a negotiation with them, get your profit from that one also, and print and go and give it to. So instead of you to be waiting for clients online, I know clients online, you can actually be doing something like this and be making money from it. So that is one of the ways you can actually make money as a graphic designer. You can do printing, shirt printing, okay? You can print on car. People are doing birthday. You can tell them that, okay, your child is doing birthday. I can create a customized shirt for them. You can make money from that one as a graphic designer. A lot of money. All right? Yes. So apart from these things I just mentioned, there are other ways to make money from graphic design. Like you can do consultation if you are very good. All right, you can talk very well. You can do consultation. People can meet you and say, "Sir, I'm having this difficulty." Blah blah blah. You can charge them for your time. Tell them that, okay, for me to help you to understand this concept very well, to come out with this problem because I've gone through it. You're going to pay me 10,000 naira for 30 minutes. You're going to pay me 5,000 naira for 20 minutes. You can take that up and you can make money from that also as a graphic designer. Or not only that, number 5 or 4, you can also, one of the ways you can make money as a graphic designer is that you can also become a speaker. All right, you can also become a speaker. Now you have invited me for to speak and to share my knowledge. Yeah. All right, this can be a medium where I charge for my service, for my time, because time is money. So for me to share my knowledge, this is actually costing money. So I can actually tell somebody that, okay, for me to come out to your platform to talk about my service, to talk about my experience, I'm going to charge you this amount of money. All right, whether it's online, whether it's physical, this is another way you can make money as a graphic designer. Become highly valuable. That you are not just talking graphic design. You can also talk about life. You can talk about principles of life that can work. You can talk about money. You don't just focus on only graphic. You can also help people. You can become a life coach as a graphic designer. So you can talk, you can speak, you can become a public speaker, and you can make so much money from that. So while you are waiting for a client to come, you can also do these things part-time once in a while, and you can make money. Apart from these things I just said, now, because if you are an influential graphic designer like the way I am becoming now, you can influence for people. You can influence for people and make money. So my WhatsApp all day, because those classes you are doing, for example, if you're a graphic design coach, those classes you are doing repeatedly, you are getting a high number of traffic, people coming to your DM. Don't waste it. Let them save your contact, build a community out of them. Then it will help to boost all your social media handles, boost your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp now currently sometimes 1,600 views. Then from there, I make money too. Because I can now begin to advertise. If you're a graphic designer, you want to reach more people that are graphic designer, you can come to me and say, "Me, please help me to reach more person." You are sure to get more people because most of my audience are graphic designer, and I will charge you for it. It's not free. I will charge you for it. I make money from it a lot. Okay, I make money from that one alone a lot by influencing for other brands. There are many ways to make money.
You see, the ways are countless. There are a lot, because as you are mentioning, I was like, wow. Like, I'm flabbergasted. Like, wow, this is mind busting. Actually, it's really mind busting.
Let me add this one. Now, another way you can make money as a graphic designer, there are many. They're just coming to my. As you can see, there's no note to my hand. I know what I'm doing, so I can talk.
Exactly.
So there is a way you can make money as a graphic designer. For example, those your video you are creating for free, you can actually put all of them and put them on YouTube. Create a YouTube channel. Start teaching graphic design. What this will do to you, number one, it will give you influence. People that you are impacting, They will look at you as a person of authority. It will give you influence. Now my YouTube channel, I have 12,500 something subscribers. I started 2 years ago. Yeah, I started 2 years ago. I have been sharing content consistently, helping people. Now my channel have reached more than 50 countries of the world. India, Togo, America, USA, different countries, they are watching my channel and they are learning from it. Now, when people learn from you consistently, either through book, I'm going to talk about that, or video, or sharing of your knowledge, they see you as an authority, as a person of influence. You are making impact in their life. What would happen is that they'll begin to come to you, they'll begin to learn to you, they'll begin to become loyal to your brand. Then YouTube, when you meet their criteria, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, you follow the YouTube monetization policy, you will be monetized, and YouTube begin to pay you in dollars. Wow. That's one way to make money as a graphic designer. All right, and this is the final one. There are many others, but let me just stop here. It just came to my mind now. One of the ways you can make money as a graphic designer is to write a book, write an ebook.
Wow.
Write an ebook and share your knowledge through ebooks, small ebooks, maybe 30 pages.
I saw you selling some. 30 commandments of graphic design.
Exactly. All right. Wow. Write something. You don't need money to write a book. You don't need money. All you need is knowledge and the right tools. Go to your Google Docs, write a book, write an experience. You can even do frequently asked questions of graphic design, 100 frequently asked questions. Answer those questions. Reach out to graphic designers and ask them, what are your most challenging questions as a graphic designer? Collect all the questions, maybe 50, and answer those questions. Answer all of them. Put them inside a book and sell it to them again. You make money for them.
Wow.
Try to make money.
Wow.